Engarenok kotoma airiamul kangin kese apotu ochamanarus ainebe aina petanu busakrit aitolot kotoma Aboliaso.
I remember that time when we were in a patch. We came together when we see let this one do this, let us do this, and we plan everything together. We still want to maintain that spirit. The time for election will come. Let us not fight for a position. Let us see if we think Okota, for an example, Okota can fit in a position. Let us all back by Okota and say, let Okota go. Let me say there's somebody from Arua can fit here. Let us be behind him or her. Then we push. We are getting very many challenges here.
Martin Okelo Okwir, Loda Ikeunai rike kwape choran, ngesabu ilip, Apollo Kinto kono Aboliaso, anyinebe imor kikinos kanu Ikeunai Atalantanu idwe.
Let us mean what has brought us, and that is to see our children progress, to see our colleagues progress, both the teachers and the children, the team managers and the officials, that is the sports officers, working to collaboratively, working as a team. If we all work as a team, we shall build a team that will not be broken.
Ariamunugin nesda adiope kotoma aina peta nuda etolo sete ngarenuk kanu ainebe ibwa ikinete kesi engarene kunu epote aboikin aringin kotoma aseona ebunit ko ingaren Emmanuel Etieku Loda irerei aina peta nu Aboliaso kotoma Adoketait na National Kids Athletics Association wesa balebe atukotongin nesda ejasi keda aina peta nu epolok kainebe Aboliaso case itopo.
This meeting only is here to capture the brains of people. The issue of elections is there, here, there. So I felt like saying, let me call my people so that we can also streamline our thinking. Because I'm told other regions have some. Whom are we not to see? I believe it was a very good innovation. I think let's clap to God for that. We expected 300 people, and I also want you to thank the head teacher of this school. He organized these things himself.
Arina ko Greater Nose, keda Arina ka Eligon, kesida Aboliaso nuda itolomete, akira kalwe joka kotoma Aboliaso nu egitigita ko Uganda. Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East, ko Ibuga Mbale.